Hello everyone, this is Nessa Lady Beach Beauty Creations. We are outside in the Blizzard in Staten Island, New York. Well, what I came out here to do is just, it's so beautiful. Oh, this shit hurt. It's cold. I'm bundled up. I got my juice. Yeah. Yes, I do got my cup. Live. Let me show y'all something. Snow is beautiful, but baby, it got shit underneath it. You better know your walkway. You see a little pause? The dog's been pissing and shitting. I just came out here to pull the visors up on its cars because I wanted to make me some video. Yeah, super cute. I thought I was recording, but I told you I was coming outside with my cup, and I'm outside. Cheers to the snowstorm. Cheers to the blizzard. But I came out here to pull these things up on the car. Whew. Oops. Oh, if I gotta lean on it. Lean with it. Walk with it. Yeah. So this is his big baby. And I'm going to this little baby. Okay. I got my cup outside, baby. Let me tell y'all something. See these little fucking balls? That ain't nothing but shit. Nasty ass dogs. The owners is nasty too. But anyway, I gotta pull these things up. Woo. I'm hoping so. You ain't knocked him yet? Nah. Hey, that way. Come on. I'm going to the store. I did it, y'all. Ooh, my hands is freezing. This little baby. So, it is what it is. Ooh, people sitting outside in their cars. As I'm walking, the little dog behind me. Baby already got injured from a dog. Today, they wouldn't be able to enjoy this fucking snow. Because I would have made hell break loose. Put these dogs on leashes. Well, my hand is cold, but this is what we got. It's snowing. This is the beginning of the blizzard. I'll be back. Bye.